So good morning everyone, it's a beautiful autumn morning here in just the outskirts of Pinilla village, and look what's behind me. You got those beautiful almond trees that are coming up that driveway, and in the spring that blossoms. It's a sea of pink, as Sandra in the office says. It's absolutely stunning. So let's go in and have a look around this beautiful home. So this is the property that I'm going to show you. You have got a shared camino just here, and just in here is the folly which belongs to this property. So let's go inside. I'm so excited to show you this, guys. As you can see, there's a lovely picket fence, and you have a nice bistro table and chairs there to sit out and have your morning coffee. How lovely is this? You've got a light overhead. Of course, you got your wreckers and your blackout blinds on the windows. Beautiful home. So let's go inside. I like this on the doorway. Home sweet home. So as I come into this lovely home, the kitchen is in front of me, but to the side of me, there is a lovely lounge area. So just have this. Now this property has been totally reformed from a ruin. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just showing you this large living room, and I'm going to pan around. I'm going to show you it from a different angle now. You have a log burner fire, and you've got a ceiling light and fan above. You have got very large living room here, and you have windows on either side of the room. Just pan around here and show you. See? Very large. So let's go inside, and I'm going to show you the kitchen area as well as another bedroom just down here. So just here you have electric wall panel heater, and just in here you've got a small bedroom. So just in here you have a ceiling light and fan. You've got your wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. This has been beautifully reformed, this property. So this is a single bedroom, but you could put a small double in here, I'm sure. I'm just panning around. So let's go in and around and look at another room. Just off of here, we have another doorway. So just in here, you have a shower room, beautifully laid out. You've got these lovely mosaic tiles at the background, clear screen. You've got your WC and a beautiful vanity unit that complements it, as well as those terracotta tiles on the floor. Beautiful bathroom. And just here, a nice shelf. If I just show you this, with all the little men. So I'm going to take you out now, and we're going to have a look in the kitchen area. And just here, you have a kitchen diner. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So just here you have your kitchen. It has a large fridge freezer, as you can see. It's got an integrated oven and high grill. You've got your gas hob, your worktop space, and your sink and drainer. You've got your dishwasher, wine rack, plenty of bottom as well as top cupboards with your hood extractor fan. Now if I just pan around, you will see that there's a lovely dining room table and chairs there, just ready for Christmas and the celebrations. Just going to pan around for you guys, and just there, just down on the wall, you have the electric heater there as well. Okay, so with the reform here, they've kept some of the character. So you've got a vaulted ceiling with some wooden effect beams there. I'm going to take you up the staircase now, and we'll have a look at the bedrooms. So come with me, guys, and I'll see you at the top. So I've just come up the top of the stairs, and again you've got carried on with this beautiful vaulted ceiling. Through here is a lovely bedroom, very, very cozy, really nicely presented. And if I pan around, you can see the countryside outside. You've got electric heater here as well, and your uplighters. Really beautiful, cozy home. So just beside that bedroom, you have a bathroom. Now in the bathroom, again, it's a mosaic tiling. Got a nice vanity unit and sink with the WC and terracotta tiles throughout. Just there, you got the lighting and a very modern mirror as well. Beautiful bathroom. So if I just go across the corridor here. So just off the master bedroom, you have a beautiful shower room. The shower room has a cream mosaic tiling. It has a semi-frosted glass screen and a frosted window. It continues with the beautiful vaulted ceiling and the wooden beams. And just here you have your vanity unit and your WC and that terracotta floor. Now if I just come in here and show you here, you've got ceiling light and fan, again with that beautiful vaulted ceiling. Now they're not original beams, but they have kept the property in character. It's totally been reformed from a ruin to this. It's absolutely stunning. You've got these large wardrobes, and you've got two of those. You've got plenty of space in here. You have got this beautiful terracotta floor that flows through. If I pan around, you can see how cozy this room is. Really beautiful. And of course that flew from the log burner downstairs. That will keep this room snug as a bug and rug in the winter time. Really beautiful. So I'm quite excited to show you around the rest of this property. So let me take you back down the stairs. A beautiful gallery there on the staircase as well. Now we've just come down the stairs and we've come into this beautiful dining room. You can just imagine friends and family around that table at Christmas time, or any time of the year really. And you've got beautiful base cupboards and worktop space, and plenty of that. Just give you a quick glimpse of this kitchen again, with your integrated grill and oven, and your gas hob, your hood extractor, and your sink and drainer. And of course you got that wine rack there, which is a must when you're living in Spain because wine is so cheap. So I'm going to take you outside. Now there is just 2,500 metres of land with this property. So we're going to go in and have a look around at the folly. Now I've just come into the garden and you've got a large water tank with a pump there. And let me show you around this beautiful garden. So just here there is a septic tank with the property to get rid of any waste. I'm going to show you around the garden. You'll have to excuse the crunching because they have this decorative shale all around. Got a lovely area to sit just there, and that is going to be beautifully lit up at night because of the solar lights. And just down here, it's part of the land as well. You've got what looks like a hen house over there. You know, you've got beautiful steps down. I love the stonework on the bricks here. Beautiful stonework wall. Just to show you there, we have some olive trees, and they take the oil or the olives down, obviously, and then take them to the Costa, and that will be converted into fresh olive oil that you can have all year. And olive oil around here is known as liquid gold, because that's what it is, liquid gold, guys. You could just sit here and watch the sun going down. You can see the road just behind here, and like I said, in the spring all those trees will be full of blossom, be like a sea of pink. Now this beautiful wall, all those stones have been harvested from the countryside surrounding, and this wall was built with love. And that's what makes this house so much more special. So much love has gone into this renovation. In here, now this is for the men. I'm not being sexist, but men do like a man cave, and this I think would make a great man cave. Okay, you got a nice workbench there, which looks out onto the garden. Really lovely. So let's just go in here now. So I've just come in here, and I just thought I'd show you. It's a lovely little nook, or little folly as they call it, okay? So it says, welcome summer. You can imagine sitting out here in the summer, can't you, with a nice refreshing drink and that. So let me go inside. We have a look in here. Ooh, look at this. So you got a nice kitchen here for the summer. So you got your washing machine, your base cupboards, your sink and drainer, and you got your gas boiler around the corner there. Just here you have your cooker with your hob just under there, and you got this large wardrobe for storage. Okay, now they're sliding doors. I don't like looking in people's stuff, but you have got a nice fridge and everything in here. You've got cupboards. If I just put that around, so fully functional kitchen here. Okay, and just in here, the light, got a nice little bathroom, I would imagine. Yes, we've got a nice shower in here. And you've got the window with frosted glass window, insect screens and blackout blinds. You've got a sink on pedestal and your WC. So you've got everything here with your outside kitchen that you could possibly need. You could enjoy the summers around here in the garden, couldn't you, with the grandchildren. So let's go back outside. How wonderful is this property? And of course, just over there, you have loads of parking area to keep your tractor shed. Let's go through here. It's got these large double gates, got the wood storage there for your log burner. So you've got plenty of parking. You got your tractor storage, you got your trailer storage, water tank, you got it all here. So you could harvest all those beautiful olive trees and have your own olive oil, which I said is liquid gold around here, absolutely liquid gold. So guys, what do you think of this property? We've got a beautiful property here, a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, beautiful kitchen, all fully renovated with the love of the owners. Those walls over there, all that stone was all harvested from the surrounding areas and built with love. There's beautiful olive trees here with loads of olives. You can bring them down, harvest the olives and make your own liquid gold. and then sit around in the sun with friends and family with a bit of rustic bread, some olive oil on it and some salt and pepper. Absolutely beautiful. Or you can make it tostada, which is a traditional English breakfast. So how would you like to live in this property? It's just rural enough, but yet it's about 10-15 minutes from Camposol and about 10 or 15 minutes drive from the local beaches, possibly 20, but it is in an ideal position. So if you are interested in this beautiful home, that everything's been done for you, do contact info@tolettoselltobuy.com, and I hope to see you soon in the office. Take care. See you all again soon.